On this week's episode of The Trek, we are learning what there is to know from the electrical engineering department here at ivytech Kokomo. Okay, so I am here with Johnny Lyons. He's an assistant professor and program chair of the engineering department here at ivytech Kokomo. Tell us a little bit about the program in general.
We have two engineering programs. It's a mechanical engineering technology, and the other program is engineering technology program. We have a classroom lecture, and then we have lab where the students actually build and actually assimilate and actually test circuits and mechanical devices. ivytech has an transfer articulation agreement with several four-year colleges here in the state of Indiana. So students can choose to enter the workforce, obtain a highly skilled job as a technologist, or they can choose to continue their education. Today, we also are going to look at some typical type of lab equipment.
Well, let's go to the lab and see what we can find.
So what we have here is a electrical test station. We have several pieces of equipment. This is called a volt-ohm meter that we can use to check many different types of electrical circuits. This is a multi-purpose oscilloscope, and it's also used extensively in industry for measuring actual signals, frequencies, voltages.
So like a lot of programs here at ivytech, you're seeing so much, not just lecture learning, but also hands-on learning.
Absolutely. The hands-on learning, this is the practical experience that you get in the lab.
Okay, so that is the equipment inside this lab. Let's go check out the other lab and see what it has to play with. Okay, so we are on the other side of the lab here.
We have the mechanical engineering technology associate degree. One of our courses, it is a fluid power course. This is our fluid power trainer, and we have pneumatics and we have hydraulics. So we use this test station to give our students hands-on training of these different devices, which is very similar to what they will encounter.
It's another great example of hands-on experience here at ivytech. Okay, so last we have a pump system.
We have multiple pumps that we use to give our students hands-on training on how to set up, install, and troubleshoot pumps. In the classroom, we do the lecture portion where we teach the students how to do the analysis to calculate how much pressure they need. So this test station gives students that hands-on.
Johnny, thanks for having us today. Really appreciate your time, showing us your classrooms and your labs, and once again showing us just how hands-on ivytech can be as an educator here in our community. So there you have it. There's some information from the electrical engineering department here at ivytech. Interested in their other 70 programs that they have? Go to ivytech.edu/thetrek or visit one of their 43 locations statewide and schedule a tour.